number 42 from June 2018 booklet code is, so this is question from ordinary differential equation and simple second order linear ordinary differential equation. Question is y double dash plus p time y dash plus q time y equal to 0. This is simple second order differential equation where p and q are smooth functions, y1 and y2 are two solutions of this equation, and w of x is a Wronskian of these two solutions. So we have to identify whether this Wronskian is 0 for y1, y2 when they are LD or Li. So this is the question. Based on linearly dependency or independency of the solution, we have to identify whether given Wronskian is 0 or non-zero. So we have a theorem. If your differential equation is a naught y double dash plus a1x y dash plus a2x y is equal to 0 and a naught x is throughout non-zero for all x, where you are identifying your properties, and a naught x, a1x and a2x are continuous functions, then Wronskian of any two solution y1 and y2 is identically 0 if and only if y1 and y2 are linearly dependent. So based on this property, we have this second order differential equation where p and q are smooth functions. So this all properties are holds. So Wronskian of these two solutions is identically 0 if and only if their solutions are linearly dependent, or solutions are linearly independent, then Wronskian is never 0. So first option, if y1 and y2 are LD, then there exists x0, x1 and x2 such that Wronskian at x1 is 0 and Wronskian at x2 is non-zero. So we know that Wronskian is either identically 0 or never 0. So first option is definitely incorrect. Second, y1 and y2 are linearly independent, then Wronskian is 0, but it should not be non-zero. So second is also incorrect. Third is y1 and y2 are linearly dependent, then Wronskian is 0 for all x, but it should be 0 for all x. So third is also incorrect. And fourth one, y1 and y2 are Li, then it must implies Wronskian is non-zero for all x. So fourth option is always correct option.